Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be talking about a new Sephora Give Me Some Lip sets. I pick these up every single time they're on the Sephora website or app because I think they're such a great value. And I like being able to test out different formulas, different brands, so I always pick these up when I can. These retail for $34 and that is in Canadian. This set is a little bit different. You are getting one full-size product, but this time you're getting 5 deluxe size samples, which I think is awesome. You're getting some Grande Lips, Kat Von D, Urban Decay, Bite Beauty, Tarte, and then Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this set includes some of the newest products, which I think are awesome. They're like the new must-haves. This set has different finishes from high shine to matte all the way to metallic, so I'm super excited to get into this guy. I will be breaking down each of the products individually and their price point, and I will also be trying them at Swatches and also on my lips as well. So let's get into it. I'm also eating double stuffed Oreos. So this is what the box looks like. It's this cute pink with nude and pinkies and red lips all around it. Gives you a display of all of the products. So this is what the inside looks. There was a bunch of these little wormy things, but I got rid of them because they get all over my room. I'm first off going to start with this little guy. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea H2O Gloss, and this is in Bora Bora. First off, the packaging is super cute. There's like these water droplets on the lid that are texturized. You'll be able to see in the close-up. Super cute, and it's like this pearlescent gloss. I'm so excited to try this on. The full size of this retails for $24. So this baby guy retails for $5.75. So I will quickly give you a little swatch. Oh my god, that's so pretty. This definitely has a strong shift. You can see right there of like a pink pearlesque shine. There's definitely some glitters inside of this as well that you can see. It is a little sticky, but it's not too bad, and let's get it on the lips. And this is what it looks like on the lips right here. It's definitely a shimmery finish, and it's like a holographic pearl. It's really pretty. I think you could wear this on its own, or you can even put it on top of a lipstick, and I think it'll add such a great shift to the color. It is a little sticky, and you can definitely feel that there are like little shimmers in it. Like you can feel it a little bit on your lips, but it's not too noticeable, so I'm super excited to have this. Next up, we have this little guy, and this is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade SPL. So the full size of this retails for $23. So this deluxe size sample retails for $3.28. I'll give you a quick little swatch. I'm gonna put this one right beside the Tarte so you can see the difference. So that's the Tarte one there, and that is the Urban Decay one. Definitely more of a pink tint shift to it compared to the Tarte one, but they are very similar. This one, on the other hand, though, has pink and silver shimmer in it. So let's find out if I'll be able to feel that on my lips as well. And that is what the Urban Decay one looks like on the lips. It's definitely more of like a pink cotton candy color to it. This definitely would be great worn on its own or on top of, again, another lipstick to add, you know, that shift to it. It's really pretty. This one I can't feel the shimmer as much as I could as the Tarte one, but it's super gorgeous. I really like this one, and I'm so excited to have this. Next up, we have a Bite Beauty Prismatic Multi-Stick in Pink Pearl. I was super excited when I saw that this was going to be in the box because I actually wanted to pick up a couple of these, but it's nice that I get to test this out before purchasing the full size, which I think is awesome. So the Prismatic Multi-Sticks come in 5 different shades. The full size retails for $28, so this little sample, guys, retails for $12.38. What I find what's really cool about these guys is they are exclusive to Sephora, as well as they are a multi-stick, so you can use them on your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, your body, really wherever you want to. So this is what Pink Pearl likes swatched on my hand. It's super pretty. It's like, there's definitely a pink base, but there's also like red and pink shimmers in it, which is really cool. So I think this would be really pretty all over the eyes, or maybe as a blush. I don't really know how that would work, but I can't wait to put it on my lips. So this is what it looks like on the lips. It's very, very pink. It is pretty gritty, so I can definitely feel like there's something on my lips, but I think I could look past it because the color is so pretty. These are silicone free, which I find really cool. I'm so excited to go check out the other colors because I think they're so different and unique, and I like how you'll be able to use them in different ways. Up next, we have a Kat Von D studded lipstick, and this is in the shade Lovecraft. I love her little deluxe size, how they're like literally a mini of the full size. And that is the shade right there swatched on the hand. It is a beautiful, like, pinky mauvey nude. It's not too deep, but it's not too light as well. I'm definitely gonna see myself using this color a lot this summer and even fall. I think because it is like kind of that in between, this will definitely complement a lot of skin tones, and this was super creamy. I love Kat Von D's studded lipsticks, and I don't actually own this one, so I'm super excited to have this little guy. I may even go purchase the full size. So she has 39 shades of the Studded Kiss, and they retail for $23. So this little deluxe guy retails for $8.12. So this is what the Lovecraft lipstick looks like on. It is definitely, like I said, like a pinky nude. It's super creamy. And I would definitely say like I can't really feel it on my lips. Like it's almost like weightless, but I am so excited to have this guy in my collection. So we have 2 more products left. Up next is the Grande Lips Plumping Liquid Lipstick, and this came in the shade Smoky Sherry. Now what I found, which was really interesting about this product, is in here you're getting 260 mils, and in the full size you're getting 250 mils. So packaging wise, this is a lot smaller, yet you're getting the same amount of product. So does that mean that this guy retails for the $34, yet he's not a full size item? That's where I'm a little confused. But anyways, I've never tried these. This color is absolutely stunning. So this is more of like a moussey liquid lipstick. It's not like liquid, and it's plumping, so I'm a little afraid of that. This is what the color looks like right there. It is deeper than obviously Lovecraft, you can see there, but it is such a gorgeous color. And I would definitely say this is like a deep raspberry color, where this was more of like a rosy nude. This is definitely more raspberry. And apparently these are supposed to be non-drying, non-cracking, and have benefits of a hydrating liquid lipstick. So let's get this bad boy on the lips. So that's what the color looks like on the lips. It is definitely such a nice raspberry berry color. So far with the plumping, I don't feel anything. There's no tingling or burning or anything, which is really nice. And I think this color would actually complement a lot of skin tones as well. I do have to say though, it smells weird. Like, not chemically, but like there's something there that you can definitely like smell. I don't know, it's hard to explain. This dries down really quickly, but I don't think it dries completely matte. Like I don't think it's transfer proof, but I have a feeling that it's not really gonna move anywhere, so super excited. And last but not least, we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and this is in the shade Ruby. By the way, I have started to feel a little bit of tingling in the lips. So that's the shade right there. It is this beautiful red. Full size of this retails for $23, and it comes in 30 shades. I don't own any of these yet, so I'm super excited to test out the formula to find out if I need to pick up, you know, a couple of the nudes. This is supposed to be a full pigmented lip color with a smooth matte finish. Obviously not 100% transfer proof, and it's not gonna dry down completely matte. So that is what it looks like swatched on the hand, and that is what it looks like on the lips. It is a true classic red. I love this color. I do have to say though, with putting it on my lips, it is a little bit drying. It is smooth, but once like that first applying of the color, it was really dry. Like I felt like I was tugging on my lips a little bit, but that might have just been to try and get the pigment for the lipstick. I definitely feel like this is gonna last a long time on the lips. I don't feel like it's gonna be moving anywhere. Obviously you can always put a lip liner on underneath first if you don't want it to go anywhere, but I love, love, love this color. Definitely wants me to go out and buy a couple more shades. So that was all the lippies that were in the Sephora Give Me Some Lip set. The total amount that I paid for the box was $34. The total overall value that I got was $86.53. Now that is with me adding in a full-size Grande lips, because you are getting the same amount of product in the full size compared to the deluxe size that they sent. So that might, you know, give off a couple dollars, but I did add it as a full size because you are getting the same amount of mils. I do have to say this is definitely a bang for your buck. I love how I had some matte finishes, some metallics, some shines. It definitely gave you a little step into the realm of different finishes, and I definitely think if you guys can pick up this set, to go get it. I will leave it linked in the description box below if you guys wanted to go check it out and get it for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!